Have you ever tried to run a program only to be met with an error message that leaves you scratching your head? It can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to get work done. If you're facing issues running Python on Windows, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this problem together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you see an error message pop up, especially after a Windows update. You're not alone in this. Many users have reported similar issues after recent updates. It's a common tech headache. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently reached out saying, "I can't run Python on Windows anymore since the latest update." They mentioned seeing a message that says, "This app can't run on your PC, even after reinstalling Python and trying to run it as an administrator." Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this issue? Often, problems like this arise from compatibility issues with the latest Windows updates or incorrect installation paths. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step to help you get back on track. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help ensure your Python runs smoothly in the future. To begin resolving this issue, the user should first check if Python is correctly installed on their system. They can do this by opening the command prompt and typing python-version. If Python is not recognized, the user may need to add Python to their system's path. This can be done by accessing the environment variables settings. In the environment variables window, the user should find the path variable under System Variables and click Edit. They will then add the path to the Python installation directory. After updating the path, the user should restart their command prompt and try running Python again. This should resolve the issue. If the problem persists, the user may want to consider reinstalling Python and ensuring they select the option to add Python to path during installation. Fun fact, did you know that Python was named after the British comedy group Monty Python? So if you're feeling frustrated, just remember that even Python has a sense of humor. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user suggests that the issue might be due to the python.exe file being 0 kilobytes. This can happen if Python wasn't exited properly. To fix this, they recommend reinstalling Python or downloading a portable version from the official site. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution comes from another user who faced a similar issue. They discovered that the error message appeared when trying to run a 64-bit application using a 32-bit version of Python. Their fix was to uninstall the 32-bit Python and install the 64-bit version instead. After making this change, everything worked normally. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always keep your Python installation updated and check for compatibility with your Windows version. This simple habit can save you from future headaches. And there you have it. You should be able to run Python on your Windows PC now. Remember, keeping your software updated is key to avoiding these issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Python programming.